Hi, I'm Karen Elaine, and I am a longtime artist, paper crafter, author, instructor, and mixed media artist. I've been doing watercolor for a very long time. I think I started teaching watercolor back in the 80s, and I've kind of come to a place in my journey that I've kind of found a very simplified way to explore watercolor for all skill levels, beginning up to experienced. This course is going to be something for anyone who just wants to develop skills, deep diving into skills, at the same time just having a lot of fun and joy and whimsical sense of humor, fun while you're doing it. So we're not going to take ourselves seriously at all. We're just going to have fun. At the same time, we are going to develop our skills. We're going to do a lot of exercises in color mixing, glazing, and we're going to do some journals at the same time. We're going to do exercises and spreads like this, just basically swatching colors, glazing, wet into wet, wet into dry, cool unsaturated washes, warm washes, all those things that you hear about in the watercolor world. You're going to practice those on these spreads. So that is the one thing you're going to make, is you'll have a finished journal by the end of the course. And you will also have another journal where you'll be doing other exercises on small cards. So everything's going to be small and tiny, just like I like it. Little small things, which give me so much joy. And you'll be finishing a concertina pocket journal that you can take all of your experiences with you. You'll be doing birds, you'll be doing leaves, all the things that I love. I'm going to share everything with you that I know. And we're just going to have so much fun. So I'm so glad you're here, and I'm looking forward to getting started.